his food taster got poisoned or something, and someone reminded me that Roger Stone was poisoned too. So all of these can be seen as predictions. There were direct hits by many of the listeners on the Ouija board that happened a month ago. We used it for the show. And what's most perplexing is why the board predicted that we stay out of the major cities in November. And while there's been a number of speculations about what may be going on, back on October 23rd, I said that the only event that would even apply would be an asteroid flyby that was scheduled for November 21st. Now, I speculated over whether or not this rock would actually come close enough to either explode over a major city or that it would hit the planet somewhere. And the asteroid, once again, is considered Apollyon class or destroyer class. Now, I want to make it clear that the board never said that there would be an asteroid hit on this planet. The board never said it. We speculated about the possibility that whatever happens on the 21st is going to cause some considerable attention to space. We even, let our minds wander a bit to talk about the Apollyon-class asteroids that are coming our way. Apollyon is the name of the destroyer, and it is the destroying warrior angel that ascends from the bottomless pit after a falling star named Wormwood causes the waters to bitter. Now, many of you already know that this year has been seeing we've been seeing a lot of fireballs and anomalies happening in space. Last October, we were warned of an asteroid that would be nudged. This is right after the Ouija board talk. We knew of an asteroid that would be nudged by the power of the sun, which would create some very destructive fireworks somewhere near November 21st, 2019. On the night of November 11th, during the Sounds of Sora broadcast, we were alerted to a huge fireball. It was seen from Texas all the way to Illinois. The huge bolide meteor was actually seen exploding over the St. Louis, Missouri Arch. Now, this piqued a lot of the interest of Ground Zero listeners. I was, shocked. I couldn't believe that this was happening. I want to remind everyone, again, so I don't want to be taken out of context. I'm going to keep repeating this because I know a lot of people are going to expect, Clyde's prediction didn't come true. We were speculating about what may be the problem, okay? And the seance did not say, and the transcript did not say, that we would be hit by an asteroid. It just said that an event in November should keep people out of the city. Now, I was, along with my listeners, many listeners, I expressed concern about the threat of a direct hit by a space rock on November 21st. According to a report, and this is the report we cited, there was an asteroid with codename 481-394-2006 SF6 that would be nearest to our planet.